Hey, welcome to How's It channel. In today's tutorial, you will learn how to verify PayPal email address. Open your web browser. Go to PayPal webpage. Log into your account. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and look for the email box. Click on Confirm next to your email address. Click on Confirm this email in the new window. Go to your mail to confirm it. Open the letter from PayPal and click on Confirm my email address. Enter your PayPal account password and click on Confirm my email. Click on the gear icon at the top right corner of your screen. Scroll down and look for the email box. You can see the email is now confirmed. Thanks for watching the video. Please like it if you use any of our tips and tricks. Subscribe to our channel. We upload new tutorials every day.